It's funny. In the year 2000, Nike thought this is what shoes of the future were going to look like. Boy, were they wrong. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Nike Air Flightposite in the Legion Green colorway. Now, the Nike Flightposite is one of the shoes of the late 90s that used Posite technology, and it also had that zipper shroud. Nike was doing both of those things quite a bit during the late 90s. We had the Flightposite and the Foamposite both used Posite material, and the Flightposite 2, which was KG's signature shoe, also had the zipper. Also, you had Gary Payton's Zoom Flight Glove or Flight 98. That also had the zipper. All of those shoes basically were like this futuristic type of shoe that was kind of like the trend in like the late 90s to like the early 2000s, maybe like 2002, 2003. Then everybody realized that that's not what the future is about. And then we went back to Air Force Ones. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard Nike sportswear box, the red and white box, and the color code is black and Legion Green. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has an iridescent Legion Green upper for the majority of the shoe, except for the mesh paneling and the zipper shroud. Take a look at the toe. You have a Legion Green toe. Moving towards the tongue, you have the zippered shroud with the Nike swoosh on the side, and it's Legion Green and black. And on the top of the shroud, you also have a Legion Green and black Nike swoosh. The shoe has a Velcro patch on the top, and that helps it unzip. And that reveals a mesh tongue with a pull tab that says Flightposite on it. Moving towards the heel, you've got more of the iridescent Flightposite upper, and you got ridges more towards the heel. Also, you have the black shank plate. Moving towards the heel, you've got more of the iridescent Flightposite upper, as well as the black back tab with the Legion Green Nike swoosh and the black and Legion Green pull tab. The medial is similar to the lateral, but not quite identical. It's got the ridges on the Flightposite upper, but it has two mesh panels for increased breathability. Lastly, you got the black outsole with the aforementioned shank plate, as well as the green bubble right on the forefoot that has the Nike swoosh on it. Overall, I think the Flightposite Legion Green is a decent colorway. I wasn't a fan of any of the retro releases from 2014, especially considering that they were trying to charge $230 for it. I do wish that they would retro the gold Flightposite though, because that's still one of my favorite colorways, as well as the eggplant colorway. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Nike Flightposite Legion Green hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on June 20th for a retail price of $200. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.